First, you're going to click on File because you want to make yourself a copy. Here, you're going to put in your last name with a dash, your first name with a dash, 1 and a dash when you're using your first copy. Then you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address. When you sell to Grandma, put Grandma's name in the first box. You'll probably be picking up for your grandma, so leave the space free and put in an S for student pickup. And you're going to put in however many Grandma is going to have for oranges and for grapefruit. And over here, if Grandma writes you a check to you, put in the amount. Now, if you're going to sell to your neighbor and they're going to pick up, then you're going to put in your neighbor's email address right here. And you're going to write a C because they're picking up. Again, you'll put in their quantity, and then you'll write either if they're going to pay you cash or check. And you can, in fact, have both. That totals the $96 in this case. Now, your neighbor wants to have a receipt for pickup. So you're going to click on the address, and then you're going to click on Email Receipt. You may have to hit the dismiss. Here we go. You're going to continue, choose your account. In our case, we're having a few issues, so we're going to tell it to approve or to allow the email address. We'll hit continue, back to our email address. What the hell? We're going to try it one more time. It should work now. There we go. Now we got it working. So we're going to say yes to sending the receipt to neighbor 1. And off it will go. If you want to see what the receipt looks like, look at the tutorial in the Word document. Now, if you want to, if you have a whole bunch of people that you're going to pick up for, and you're going to put S beside all those names, well, at the end, you will need the receipt. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your email address, and then you will email yourself the receipt. So it's all the same procedure. At the end, you can check out all of your totals. This is the amount of money that you will have to be dropping off, ideally in one check or in one check and some cash. You'll be dropping that off at the school. And by the 30th, you're going to be clicking Share. And this, you're going to put in the CHS Music Citrus. You can put in your first and last name and click Send. And away you go. Good luck, everyone.